Today I am going to explain you about the little girl, the third lesson of the beehive. This lesson already I have taken into the session, but I am sending this video those who were absent or who were not able to attend the session. So in this video we are going to see about the little girl. This lesson is about a girl who is facing a problem to interact with the father. At first she was thinking about that father was like a giant, but later on how her view turn about her father. This lesson is about that. Before that we'll see few information about the writer. This lesson is written by the Catherine Mansfield Murray. She was a prominent New Zealand modernist, short story writer and poet who was born and brought up in the colonial New Zealand. So whenever you are attempting any long question, one or two sentence it is required to write about the writer. So I have given this. Now the important thing is that the theme and the character of this story, as I said, it is a short story about a girl. So in the picture also I have shown the characters. So these are the characters of the story. The main character is Kezia, means a little girl, then the father, then her mother and her grandfather. Like four characters are there in this story. Main character or this story is revolved around the relationship between father and daughter. So the theme of the story is relationship between the parents, mostly here highlighted between the father and the daughter. This is the theme. So as I have explained, the theme is relationship between the parents and the children. Main character is Kezia, second main character is father, third character is mother of Kezia, and the fourth character is grandmother of Kezia. Now I'll explain the story or I'll just highlight the important points of the paragraph. If you will go through the lesson, you will understand that each paragraph has given the number. So first two paragraph is about, which explains about the very casual relationship between the father and the daughter. So she felt father as a fear figure, means she was always fear about the father. Whenever he was going away from the house, she felt a sense of relief. So the father figure was a figure of fear. When he was going out of the station or going away from the house, she was getting the sense of relief. Very casual reaction between each other, means every day father was going to the Kezia's room, giving kiss, and she was saying goodbye. This was a very casual interaction it was there between both of them. And whenever any free time, whenever he was coming back, whenever he was doing any work, whenever he was looking towards the girl, he was always giving a terrifying look to the girl, so that girl always has always having a fear about the father, not any other feeling. So this is two paragraphs are explaining. In paragraph third and fourth, the important thing is that Kezia stammers while speaking. So whenever father was asking anything, she was stammering, she was staggering, means she was stuttered. She was not able to speak fluently. Stammering means not able to speak fluently. So she was not able to speak fluently with the father. Why for? Because he always threatened the Kezia. Father always threatened the Kezia. Whenever she was not able to speak properly, fluently with the father, he was threatening that if you are not able to speak properly, I will take you to the doctor, or I will tell you grandmother to take you to the doctor. Such kind of interaction it was there between father and daughter. So she was feeling father like a giant. In third and fourth paragraph you can see that she was imitating father as a giant. And fourth paragraph, then you will understand that if you are sharing your family with the grandparents, then grandparents work is always there to interact and to remove the gap between, or remove the misunderstanding between the parents and the granddaughter. These are only the mostly the grandparents are doing the work into the house. So here also grandmother always encouraging her to interact, to talk with the, whenever a free time, whenever your parents are there at home, she always encouraging, grandmother was always encouraging Kezia, go and talk with your parents. This was the explain into the third and fourth paragraph. In fifth and sixth paragraph, as I have explained in fourth paragraph, grandmother was encouraging. So here also continue, she was encouraging. How she encouraged? One day when Kezia was remain at home because of the cold, at that day she was talking with the grandmother, talking with the Kezia that near next week your father birthday is there. So why, one suggestion I'll give you, why not you prepare a gift for your father? So this suggestion to remove the gap or to remove the misunderstanding between the father and daughter, the grandmother has given to the daughter that prepare gift for your father's birthday. And so according to that, Kezia was always listening to the grandmother. She was very close to the Kezia. So as she suggested, she started preparing the gift. So she decided to make the pin cushion. Pin cushion means where you can fixed out the pins, that kind of thing. In picture also I have shown. So here you can see, so this such kind of thing, such kind of thing in which you can point out, or which can hold the pins, which is very pointed and which is very difficult to keep somewhere. So if you will fixed out this pins to such a kind of pin cushion, it will not remove anywhere, it will not fall anywhere, and it will not hurt anybody. So that kind of she started to prepare. So after preparing, she stitched three sides of the pin cushion. Fourth one she remained kept. And for that, why she remained kept? Because she want to stuff inside something. So she started, Kezia started searching the thing what to stuff inside. At that time grandmother was there into the garden, so she was not able to ask to her. So when she while searching, she went to the parents room. There on the bed she found some papers. So she felt it is a rough paper, so she took that. In the picture also you can see, she tore that all papers and stuffed into the cushion, and fourth side also she fixed out. And then at the evening when father came at home, the tantrum it occurred into the house. Why for? Because he lost his important papers, which was very important, some speech it was written, and it was very important for the father. So he started shouting and he lost his temper when evening he came. So you may guess out which paper. Maybe the father was searching the same which this Kezia has used to stuff into the pin cushion. So this it is there into the fifth and sixth paragraph. In seventh and eighth paragraph, as I said that fathers that papers are very important, so he lost his temper and he started shouting. And then in seventh and eighth paragraph, he come to know, or it is explained that they come to know the Kezia has picked up that papers and torn them and used into the cushion. Then he lost the temper and he went to the Kezia's room. In seventh and eighth paragraph we will come to know. And he has given a punishment to the Kezia. He has given the stick to her hand. So she was crying a lot. And then as it is there into the seventh paragraph, eighth paragraph, as he went, Kezia was crying a lot because she got the punishment from the father. So obviously who was consoling? Grandmother was consoling at the night time. So she was asking very simple question. So for this father's maid, or for this is the father work at home. So she has hurted a lot because of the father's action. This it is there into the seventh and eighth paragraph. In ninth and 10th paragraph, you can see, as she was very disturbed because of the behavior of the father, because of the punishment of the father, then she started comparing herself with the other family. Near to them one family was living. The name of that family was McDonald family. So McDonald family is a family, McDonald it is a surname. So they were living to neighbor to the Kezia, near neighboring to the Kezia. This McDonald father, in the picture you can see, this is the McDonald family. He was very loving and caring father, always playing with the children. You can see 5 children he was having, and he was very caring and always playing with the children. And then when she was looking that this is a kind of father who was always taking and playing and loving to the children, and my father is different. So she started differentiating the parents or father. So she said there are, God made different kinds of the father. And again one incident happened. Because of that, the whole story turned lot. Okay, so here, as her mother got ill, so grandmother and mother went to the hospital, and she remained alone at home with the father, and because of that the whole story turned. Her views or feelings about the father totally changed because of this one incident. And so when mother and grandmother went to the hospital, at that day, whole day she lived alone with her cooked. Whole day cook was living, or cook was sharing, or cook was there with the Kezia. But at night time, as cook went at home, she said, you go to sleep, and don't disturb your father. Like this, the Alice or the cook made her sleep, and she went. But always Kezia has a nightmare. She was always having a kind of nightmare, and that day, that night also, she started shouting. She the same nightmare in which the butcher is coming with the rope, and such kind of every time the same nightmare it was coming to her at the night time. And so she started screaming. So what happened after that? See, it is there in 11th and 12th last paragraph. When she started screaming, at that time her father occurred there. He came there, and then he handed her to his room, and make her comfortable. And see, here in the points I have explained that he scared Kezia handled by the father. So father take her to his room, and handle with lots of care and affection. And when he went to the room, he removed that newspaper aside, kept her on his bed, and said her, you just sleep close to me, you can then you will this fear will be removed. So because of this incident, her feelings and views about the father totally changed. So she realized in the 12th paragraph, she realized that really it was my mistake. The important papers of my father, I have torn them, so that he obviously lost the temper. But my father is not that much bad, which I was feeling. And so it was my mistake, so I got the punishment. And then when she was sleeping near to the father, then she realized that he was really very innocent, and he is little than me. He slept very early before the Kezia, and then he felt that my father is doing so hard work, and because of that he is tired a lot, and so he was not able to give me a lots of time. He was not able to give me the time, and this is not his mistake. Only for me he is doing the hard work. He realized that, and so he felt Kezia felt that no, really my father is also having a big heart. See, totally change. In first and second paragraph I said she felt that his father is look like the giant who is very cruel one, or who is not having any feelings and love affection. Totally because of one incident, she realized that his father was having a good heart, big heart, and she is also he is also very loving and caring father. This whole story is about that. And so I can say that you are also misunderstanding sometime your parents, mostly this at which age now you are. So this age, mostly we are misunderstanding our parents, because you reach to a such a age that where parents are starting expecting from you, and so that they are giving instruction, they are always telling you, guiding you, and you feel that they are not giving love to you because of that instruction and because of that guide. But it is their love only. You go interact, you talk with your parents, then you will realize your parents love and affection. This only there into the story. I think you understood very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.